then, to my surprise, the footsteps immediately stopped. I knew I must have scared off whoever it was up there. When I went back to my girlfriend and explained the ordeal, she instantly messaged the owner, alerting him about the strange noise. About a minute later, the owner responds, insisting that this happens all the time since there were a lot of raccoons in the area. So, to avoid ruining the special occasion, we decided to take his word and enjoy the rest of the night. The following night, we watched some TV again without any interference. This time, no odd sounds were coming from the third floor. However, as we flipped through the channels, a video of an empty room with night vision was displayed on the screen. At first, I thought it was just one of those reality shows, or perhaps a lame horror movie, so we quickly changed the channel after that. Now, we were watching a house from a first person's point of view, like the camera was near the doorbell. It got us thinking about how bizarre it was for some of these channels to share similar features to the home we were in, and that's when we started putting two and two together.